In this video, we'll look at how to format text within HTML. In the previous video, we looked at how to do headings and how to do paragraphs. When working with bodies of text, you need to know how to format. The three types of formatting we'll be looking at today are how to include bolded text, how to include italics, and how to make small text. Now, this is by no means the only types of formatting text tags out there. However, there are many tags which I'll provide a link to in the description, which you can play around with during this video. So we know that the paragraph tag lets us say that we're starting and ending a paragraph. If we want to, say, bold a part of the text, we have to open and close using the B and /B to say this is where our text will begin bold and this is where it will end. Now, if I forget to close a tag, what will happen is I'll accidentally bold my whole document, which is not something that I want to do here. So you might do it by accident, but if you ever see that happen, it means you've forgotten to close your tag. The second tag is the Italics tag, and the Italics tag is where we have the forward slanted, and it's the same thing. Instead of B, we have I and /I. So here, lorem ipsum will be italicized, and the rest of it will be just plain text. And the last tag I want to show you is called the small tag. So what it does is it will create a subscript of smaller text. So this is normal. Anything in the small tags will automatically be made small. So if we save this, so in Dreamweaver, we're going to use Dreamweaver today. We go File, Save As. Remember, you have to select the HTML document section. I'm going to select to overwrite my test again. Unlike Notepad, you do not have to worry about putting a .html in. However, just for good practice, I'm just going to put .html in there and press save. It will obviously want me to override it. I go yes. So then what I can do is I'll go back to my desktop and open up my web browser with the test file inside it. And you can see here I have bold text inside the bold tags here. I have italic tags inside the I tags. And I have smaller text within inside the small tags. So what I suggest is within inside the description in the YouTube video is that you play around with all the different sorts of tags. And in the next video, which is practice task 1, you'll get a chance to play around with what you've learned so far in HTML.